Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This time we've gathered a variety of interesting things about different manufacturing processes of items we commonly use. We've selected the best ones for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Rolling cables becomes easier and faster using this rotating machine. If you have a tool like this, you no longer need to call a handyman to your house. You can do it yourself. This machine presses clay into a mold until it forms perfectly. This is how corn is harvested in a very satisfying way, using a large machine. No need for hard work. Just place the lock on the hammer and let the machine do the job. Imagine if you had to weld each piece of iron one by one. It would be very exhausting. This is a machine that can clear a forest very quickly. Harvesting wheat feels very easy and enjoyable when using this machine. This iron pipe breaks when pressed with a hydraulic tool due to a lack of lubrication. This is the plant that becomes the beginning of the clothes you wear every day. Drill bits must always be lubricated so they don't overheat easily. It turns out it's this easy to shape wood into a round form. This machine helps farmers easily collect feed for their livestock. When steel is shaped like a bullet, the process is very satisfying. With just one pull, this machine can turn over the soil. This is how carpet installation works, using adhesive that needs to be heated first. This man modified his tractor like a boat, so it can move smoothly through mud. This is the process of making the adhesive tape you use to fix pipe leaks. This man simply sits on his tractor, and suddenly piles of corn are already beside him. This is how rackets are colored using sprayed powder coating. Do you still play marbles? This is how they are made. If you have a cornfield, I think you might need a machine like this. Just by pulling this laser machine, a metal plate can be cut instantly. This is how a nail-making machine works when slowed down. Planting crops becomes easier with the help of machines. This is the process of making roof gap covers used in your home. If you have this machine, you no longer need to struggle peeling potatoes. Modern machines can carve wood in just a matter of seconds. This machine can shape thick wire into anything we want. The razor blades you often use are actually made this quickly. How can this machine insert brush bristles so fast without making mistakes? Farmers can struggle to plant crops if the soil is overgrown with weeds. Have you ever seen how hard steel can be cut as easily as slicing cake? This is not a dinosaur, but a hydraulic rock splitter that resembles a dinosaur's head. This machine is called a CNC laser. It can cut iron pipes according to your needs in just seconds. If you're wondering why road markings are so perfectly straight, it's because of this tool. If you like eating ice cream, you'll definitely enjoy watching how it's made. This tool is designed to form molds in just a matter of seconds. The machines here are capable of producing ice cream in massive quantities, enough to meet the demands of an entire city. From ordinary iron bars, they are transformed into very important components in the industrial world. With extremely high rotation, this blade can instantly cut through a large chunk of meat. If you are an ice cream lover, you should watch this video until the end. This man deliberately damages the tortilla dough inside the machine to see what the result looks like. In this factory, various types of ice cream are produced every day. This man intentionally holds the bowl in place to prevent a collision.